Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take up one topic and break it down to a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from The Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is, how is SEC ensuring fair elections? Now, how will Maharashtra State Election Commission tackle duplicate and missing entries? Who can raise objections and how will they be resolved? Will the opposition concerns on the electoral rules be addressed? And what steps will be ensured for the voters so that they don't cast multiple votes or multiple ballots? Now, the context of this article has been written by Vinaya Deshpande Pandit, and the context of this article is that it begins by explaining the Supreme Court recently questioned Maharashtra's SEC State Election Commission regarding the accuracy of electoral rules for the upcoming local body elections. Opposition parties have alleged large-scale errors, duplicate names, the inflated voter list. The SEC has now outlined the steps to ensure fair and clean elections. Now let's understand, can the State Election Commission delete the duplicate names, and what has the State Election Commission done so far? So the SEC has stated that it has aligned local body electoral rolls with the updated Assembly Electoral Rolls 2023. Around 3 crore voters are on the revised list, and the SEC claims the alignment removes the previous discrepancies. The Commission also assured the court that all updates, deletion and corrections will be implemented. Now there were some certain issues that were raised by the political parties. Opposition parties argued that the new rolls still contain irregularities such as duplicate voter names, missing voters, incorrect addresses, inflated numbers in certain wards. They say this should impact free and fair polls, especially in municipal elections. Now, SEC's progress of updating and verifying rolls has been in progress. The SEC explained that electoral rolls were updated using assembly rolls as a base, booth level verification was conducted, physical surveys were carried out to identify duplicate entries, draft roll was published publicly so that citizens could file objections. This it claims ensures transparency, and there are other aspects like what does the SEC do, the role of SEC, everything has been mentioned in this article, and this is the gist of the article. You can also go through this. Now let's understand what is the UPSC relevance of the article. So it is very important for GS paper 2, which is polity, because it covers elections and electoral reforms. It highlights the functioning of SECs, shows the real world issues with voter rolls, a core UPSC topic, and demonstrates how SC intervention strengthens democratic processes. It also talks about constitutional provinces, governance and transparency. It is very important for ethics and integrity in public administration as well, and current affairs application also. It is very useful for mains, GS2 questions on electoral reforms, and essays also for democracy, transparency and institutions, and governance case studies also for local elections. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching.